Hi everyone. This is the first vlogging I'm going to do. The light is not great, I have to say, but I am in the one at the door, Numero Uno in Valencia. I thought, I'm going to try start this kind of the vlogging things about food because today I'm celebrating the birthday with my husband, who is in front of me, behind you. I think there. And we wanted to come to a slightly posher place, which this way certainly is. It's a lovely looking restaurant. It's a little bit on the pricey side, but the meat promises a lot. So we've ordered a bottle of wine, which I don't know exactly which one it is. I will find out and let you know in a minute. And I'm going to order a cowboy steak, which is meant to be like half a kilo. And I don't know what Martin's going to order, but I'm going to show you in a minute. This is going to be fun. So, this is how we eat in Spain when we go beyond Tapas. The first thing we did was to order a white wine. Yes, white, because red wine gives me headaches sometimes. So we went for a Murcia wine called Las Blancas. It was delicious. It really came in very nicely. The whole cutlery and the crockery of the place, even though it looks like it's dirty, it really is not. It's quite simple, and the plates look lovely on the table. It was very well served. My steak was absolutely incredible, very nicely served, with a very healthy dollop of salt, a delicious garlic sauce. Martin's steak was cooked as well to perfection, and that salad, which we ordered as a side with roasted mango and brie, was a little bit on the expensive side, but very tasty. And as you can see, my steak was cooked amazingly. I like my meat very, very blue, and they really digged me this time, as they did with Martin, because he ordered with medium, and even though it looks very moist in the inside, outside was really crispy and very well known. So this is the aftermath of the meal. This is what happens when we come to a restaurant and we actually enjoy what we've eaten. Because I can tell you... Hi. Sorry, I've eaten so much. That was amazing. Live longer, please. Okay, we're done our meal, and what do you make of it?
Very nice indeed. High quality steaks, excellent preparation, well served, great service. Slight disappointment on the dessert.
Yeah,
very small.
That was a bit annoying.
Yes, I mean it was nice enough, not amazing, but then you don't come to these places for desserts. You come for the main courses, and that was absolutely marvellous.
Yes, no, the main course was absolutely brilliant. The price is not cheap. It's not something that you would want to do every single day or every single week for the matter, because we ended up paying about 90 euros and we had 17 euros discount by booking through the Fork. So that helped a little bit. So it's definitely not a cheap restaurant, but for a birthday celebration, I think that was absolutely fantastic.
Yes, very much indeed.
So, happy birthday.
Thank you very much.
Okay. That's what happens when you go beyond Tapas. Okay, so a bit out of this nonsense of being happy with the birthday and everything, a bit more in depth. The service was absolutely fantastic and the premises was absolutely beautiful. The plates are very clean, very modern, which is very nice indeed. And very importantly, they didn't have any kind of hidden charges. Sometimes you have to check when you go to a restaurant or a place in Spain. Sometimes you have to check that they are not going to give you hidden charges. So charges in the way of extra bread that you didn't ask for, and then they're going to charge you for it. Or when they serve you very small drinks, so you have to order 2 of them. They have absolutely nothing at all like that. The wine was excellent. The meat was cooked to perfection. As in, I wanted a blue steak, and I got a blue steak. Martin wanted a medium, and he got a very crispy edge with a very soft and moist inside. So that is exactly what I would expect, and that is the kind of place that I had absolutely no issues recommending at all. So yeah, that's one I will probably go back to, topped with the fact that the service was amazing, as in really, really good. So yeah, very highly recommended.